Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope your Diwali, Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Chhat Puja all spent well. You must be thinking why I stopped making my conventional videos. In one of my puja vlogs, I also said that something happened and I gave a hint about that. So today I am going to talk about that topic. The reasons why I didn't talk about it yet with you all, because I feel so vulnerable and it is such a sensitive issue of my life. Just I didn't feel comfortable. But everything I share with my friends, followers, and subscribers, it is a very dark phase or part of my life from which I am going through right now, and I just don't feel courage of all those putting into words. And today I am making this video with lot of hope and courage. I was in anxiety and a thought that so many strangers, so many people are going to know my story and know my mistake, what I have done so silly. And it is finally time to talk about this incident because I am recovering it from somewhat, and to spread awareness and finally putting this into words. I think so many of you have gone through the same thing or even worse. As you know, I started this channel Andrula's DNA just before 4 months. So I was planning to buy either a camera or a mid-range smartphone with good camera quality so that I can record and shoot my videos with it. I don't do job and just completed my masters, so have to rely only on my scholarships money. I was eagerly waiting for my scholarship money and kept on checking their website and waited because it is getting late due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. On 30th of August, I received the money and the money came to me, but I was ignorant about it, as on that number my recharge was exhausted and so no SMS came. And so I didn't came to know that I have got the money. On 15th of August, I came to know that 14th of August was the last day to fill the GATE application form. But on 15th of August, we can fill the form, but we have to pay rupees 1000 extra as a fine for late fee. I was like, okay. I filled the form and eventually paid through the Google Pay UPI service. Because that time also I didn't recharge my number and would not get the OTP. That's why. The payment was not successful. I received the merchant number, but it was not successful. And in the payment section, I noticed that it is showing that make payment again. For that, I got disturbed somewhat and recharged my number. And I checked my balance. I saw that rupees 2500 was debited, and also I got my scholarship and I was like very happy. But at the same time, it was annoying that my payment of the GATE application form was not successful. I was in a hurry, I was in a rush little bit. I went to bank immediately. They told me that the amount was debited, but they cannot help anything with the UPI related issue. And with that, I credited rupees 1500 and then updated my passbook and came back home. On afternoon, after coming back from the bank, I went crazy for that 2500 rupees. I called IIT Bombay. I emailed them and told them that my payment was not successful, and they assured me that in case of multiple payments they will refund me, but you please make the payment again through other method. Don't use the UPI method. It is not reliable and it is getting worse and it is taking time and so blah blah. On the evening, 6 o'clock, I think, I made the payment again with my debit card, and that time the recharge was successful. and I was like, okay. After that, I had my tea. Then I found one of my in one of the website I found a number. There is written, in case of any refund you want, then you can call us. I saw the number. That website was a bit weird, I don't know, but I called. I just eventually called them, but they didn't receive my call. After some time, after 2 to 3 minutes, something, a call from different number came to me. I received the call, and they told me they are Google Pay customer care service. They very politely asked my problem, and I trusted them. After that, he told me a lengthy process and asked me whether I want the refund now or बाद में. I told them मुझे अभी चाहिए. क्या 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 करूँ मैं? They asked me to do following processes, and I was like a mad and like a fool, like a stupid, like an idiot, followed everything he said, and eventually ended up with zero balance. Yes, I got hypnotized. Whatever he said, my mom and sister was scolding me why I am talking with a fraud, but I just don't know. I just did it, and I lost about 40,000 rupees. 30,000 was from my scholarship money, and 10,000 was there in my account, and that was shocking. Immediately, we went to local police station and made a complaint. They told me to leave an application and they'll send to the crime branch in the next morning. But everybody, including police, everyone present there, said me that I'm not going to get back my money. Nobody gets it, because money once lost is lost forever. I came back home. I saw that my whole family was crying, all because of me, my mistake. I was feeling so guilty, and I was so excited to buy a new phone or a camera and shoot YouTube videos with that. And now that time I have just nothing. That night I ate nothing. Nobody could eat. Nobody could sleep at night. I was feeling very guilty, and I can't see my mom's face, my sister's face, that how could I do this? That ran for about a week or something, that I couldn't eat and sleep and read something, but because my exam were coming, that were next to my door, and for that I had to take sleeping pills because my health was getting down. I was blaming me constantly, day and night, each and every second, that how could I do this? How could I give every details to a fraud, and knowing so many things about internet and Google Pay and all this? How can I do this? Right then I was so depressed. All my friends were consoling me that not to think of that issue and think something new, and just they consoled me. Also, they told me not to lose home and see and think about your future and make a puja vlog. I also thought that I should make a vlog on the puja. For a change, I should go for it, and otherwise YouTube algorithm will make my channel down. Then I went to North Bengal to my university and visited Merrick for a change. You probably must have seen the last videos of mine. If you haven't, please go and watch it. I uploaded that video and trying to forget about what all happened with me. Just trying to forget for some time at least. Watching motivational videos, day and night I was crying and still trying to overcome it, and trying to give focus on my studies. It is very, very, very hard and tough, Now it is just useless to think about it and getting sad by thinking about it. It is not worth it, because that thing, that money, that amount doesn't exist anymore, and that is not mine anymore. It has gone. I don't know what type of thumbnail I am going to make for this video and upload it, because every time I give a pose for a thumbnail, I click a separate picture for that and edit it and just make a thumbnail. I don't know what about this video. It was a huge setback, right? However, I have to forgive myself and walk ahead, learning from whatever I have done from this mistake. I have to learn something. Now I am thinking of my higher studies, of doing PhD and giving various entrance exams, and also thinking about my future and how to earn money online. So I started writing my blog and just started it few days ago, and also started doing freelancing as a content writer. It's a new start. I don't know how I'm going to cope up with it, but I have started a few, and I'll run this channel simultaneously with very, very good content. I promise you I will make quality videos for you, and with good quality sound, with good quality phone or camera. I will do it, although it may take some time. I was about to buy a mic or microphone on completion of 1,000 subscribers. But now I can't do it because I don't have a single penny to spend on all this. I have to start from scratch, and until then I have to make videos with this phone only, with this broken screen, low memory card wala phone. My parents were supportive then, and still they're supportive for whatever I do. But in this field, in case of this YouTube and vlogging and all this online earning field, they are not familiar with, and just they don't trust me of doing all this. They only say me that please read and go for PhD or a job that is a secured one. They don't trust me to build career in this field only. I will tell you about this in my future videos, in my upcoming videos. I will tell about it. But I want this to carry forward this in a long run as my career, as my passive income part, because I have talent and enthusiasm to do something and to create something, because I am an artist. I love science because I studied all those stuffs. I love science, but I am an artist from my heart. They have to understand that, and only I can make them understand. I have to gain back their trust over me, because this is not easy. Today I will not tell you to subscribe my channel, because I don't want any sympathy from you all through this video. I just wanted to share my story with you all and make people aware a little bit, because this world is full of frauds. I want everyone who is watching this video to wish me, so that I can live my dream, prosper in my life, and achieve whatever I want. Thank you.